Good morning. So I'm about to make my coffee. It just got ready for work. I'm gonna throw my hair up. That's why it's not done. It actually doesn't look bad, but it's so rainy today. And my hair, I have dry shampoo in it right now. I have to run out to my parents' house, and then I have a shot appointment at 9, and then I'm going into work. It's 7:28 right now. I literally need to get up at this time every day. I got up at 6:40. This is a double shot of espresso you saw me make this morning. And then I'm just adding my favorite protein shake at the moment. It's the Iconic brand Cafe Latte. This one's also good by itself. I didn't have any pods, espresso pods yesterday. They were here after work, but I was out yesterday morning, and so I just drank this. I had like 1 cup of coffee, and then I drank this mid-morning, and it was really good. So, anyways, I woke up at 6:40, like got out of bed at 6:40, which I guess is usual, but I don't always start getting ready until Morgan leaves for work. And today I just started getting ready immediately, and I need to be leaving for work at this time every day. So we're gonna try that. I really want to start getting up early at like 6 and getting in a morning walk. I've been really bad about getting in movement lately. Hi, Hutchie. So good. I'm just trying to fit the whole shake in there. These cups, by the way, from Amazon, they're like huge mason jars. I think it was like a 2-pack for $20, and I'm obsessed. And it comes with the lid and the straw. It's great. And then my friend Mindy at See Mindy Mom got me this little Java sock. They have tons of different colors and patterns, and it fits like fast food cups, but it also fits this pretty well. And I like it because then my drink doesn't sweat at my desk or in my car. So big fan. I'll link it for you, both of those items, the cups and the Java sock, down below if you're interested. And I'm gonna try to show y'all my outfit really quickly before I walk out the door. But my friend is borrowing my tripod. Go follow her on Instagram. She is Mariah with 3 H's .Colleen, and she's doing like petite fashion and like lifestyle, mom of 2. This is not gonna work. Let's move you up here. And so I let her borrow my tripod so she can start getting her Instagram content up. But this is a terrible angle. Terrible. Look, Hutchie's just waiting for me to turn that sink on, but he already had it. Okay, this is a little better. Dark jeans. I'm wearing this like big like poncho thing. This is like my rainy day go-to. It's, you know, maybe not the most flattering of looks, but it's so comfortable. I like that it's long in the back. I like to wear this with riding boots in the winter. And then of course I'm wearing some Amazon mules. These are my current faves. I think I was actually wearing these in the last video. I need to get a black pair too. There's a different style in black that I think I might get. Earrings are Walmart. These were $5, I'm pretty sure. Necklace M for Morgan, which is my boyfriend, and that is from Amazon. It was like $12. As my second one, I bought the first one and it lasted me almost 2 years, but I accidentally self-tanned with it one time. And then the next time I took a shower, it like turned my neck a color, so I had to buy a new one, but I pretty much never take it off. So that's the outfit of the day. I feel like I need like bracelets, and like I want to wear more like rings and stuff, so I might make an Amazon order just for like jewelry, like casual jewelry. We'll see. Let me know if you've bought anything lately, because I would love some just like dainty gold pieces. All right, y'all, me and Morgan are home for lunch today, and I picked up Chipotle. So I get the burrito bowl with carnitas, white rice, black beans, the corn salsa, the pico, the tomatillo salsa, light sour cream. Usually they just put so much, so I get light, and then now it's like there isn't any. There's a little bit. And then lettuce. And we also got a mini queso and a mini salsa, some chips, and a Coke Zero. Hey y'all, so home from work now, just hanging out.
Didn't have any snacks at work, but I did start drinking this Alani Nu protein shake at around 4:30. I think it's 5:30 right now. This is the Dream Float flavor. It's really good. I'm trying to have like no more than one a week, so I'm doing pretty good, although it's only Tuesday, so we'll see. But I really wanted to pick me up, and I'm having a FaceTime call with Sophie later, so I just wanted to like not be falling asleep at 7:30. But I think I'm about to start getting dinner ready. We're doing sheet pan week in this house, and I'm filming all 3 recipes for Busy Girl Meals series episode 3. So it'll be 3 delicious sheet pan meals. I'll obviously share with you the one we're having tonight, which is going to be like Cajun inspired. So we're doing andouille sausage, potatoes, bell pepper, and some squash. So I'm thinking I'm going to throw in the bell pepper and the potatoes first. So chop those, get them thrown in the oven. Then I'll chop the sausage and the squash and just put that in for like 10 or 15 minutes. And then it'll be all done. It'll be one pan, super easy cleanup. I mean, basically a cutting board and a knife and a spatula, and that's it. It's going to be awesome. So that video will be up probably next week. So check that out when it goes up, but it's going to be a delicious dinner. I'm pretty pumped about it. I think that's all. For now. So I'll show you the easy dinner and catch up with you tonight if we have some dessert. Oh, I forgot to tell you, we got crumble yesterday, so I did have a piece of cookie after lunch before I left back to work. And I'll probably have another piece of cookie tonight after dinner. The sheet pan meal tonight is going to be sort of Cajun inspired. So we're going to do a pack of our favorite chicken andouille sausage. We just like our store brand, but there's several brands that sell this. Also got a pack of potatoes. I do the grocery pickup, so these are a little bit smaller than the ones that I'm used to. So I'm just going to cut them in half. Usually I would quarter them. We're also going to do a green bell pepper, a red bell pepper, and a zucchini, but I think I'm going to throw in the potatoes along with the peppers first, and then in the last 15 minutes, we'll add the sausage and the squash because those just won't take as long in the oven. Of course, we're using olive oil, Tony's Cajun seasoning, Creole seasoning, our favorite. It does get a little bit salty, so either buy the salt-free one or use a light hand with that, and then also we're going to add some black pepper. All right, so we got the potatoes rinsed off, and we're just going to start halving them so we can throw them in the oven. All right, y'all, I halved the potatoes. I'm just gonna do a little drizzle of olive oil so that the seasoning will stick. And we're just gonna go in with a little Tony's and a little black pepper. And I'm gonna throw these on the sheet pan first. I have my oven preheated to 400. Okay, hindsight, could have done these in one bowl. Not really sure why I didn't do that, but I'm just going to, you know, evenly distribute the peppers. I did do the potatoes face down just because I feel like they will get extra crispy that way. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in for probably 25 minutes. No, probably just 20 since the potatoes are kind of small. And let that go while I'm cutting up the sausage and the zucchini. Okay, so I didn't add any more oil, but I did just kind of use what was left in the bowl and stirred that around. And then I'm gonna go in with just a little bit more Tony's and get this layer, seasoned. And once the timer goes off, throw this in for another 15 minutes and we'll be ready to eat. All right, y'all. So I ended up putting it in for actually 20 more minutes because I thought the potatoes looked pretty done. But then after the last 10 minutes, I thought, no, they're not ready. So I did another 10 minutes. And the last 10 minutes, I did bump it up to 425. So I'll put like exact better cooking instructions down below. And like I said, I would pre-chop everything except for the potatoes to make this a quicker meal. Obviously, busy girl meals, we want this to be quick and easy. But I will say the cleanup is so simple. And we are so pumped about this. It smells amazing. Super simple ingredients, very easy recipe. Just throw it in and you're ready to go. So we are gonna plate this up and I'll give you the final review. Just finished dinner and it turned out so good.
Yeah.
What did you think?
It was really good. You thought that
I didn't love the squash. I feel like it didn't need to go, like I knew it only needed 10 minutes and then I ended up doing 20 more. So it was just a little soft for me. And I think instead of the squash or like the zucchini, what did I say? Cherry tomatoes.
Yeah, that
Like,
would be good in there.
Burst. Do you remember when we had this conversation? Is it burst or is it bursted? Burst, I think.
Yeah.
Cherry tomatoes would be really good.
Yeah, those would be really good in there. And I didn't mind the vegetables.
Yeah.
I thought that, I like them a little mushy.
Yeah, the peppers were perfect. I liked those a lot. I thought
sure.
they were great. The potatoes were good. I mean, it was a fire meal, so
Yeah, I would make again.
I would too.
And add a little tomato and it would be perfect.
Yeah, really, I think all you need to do is pre-cut everything, and it would be so much quicker. I feel like it took me a long time, but I was also filming, and I was chatting with my girlfriends in between, so like it didn't take all that long.
Yeah, it really didn't.
But pre-chop,
Just a little chop and that was all.
yeah, it's the way to go. So.